After dinner, I usually pack Nick's lunch because he typically works third, but like different hours. And he'll either take leftovers or just like a cold cut or something. After packing Nick's lunch, I'll go ahead and pack Colton's for the next day just in case we're running late in the morning. I have done this since he started school and it has saved us a few times. His lunch varies day to day. He is a very picky eater, but it usually just consists of like a sandwich of some type and then some little snack things, maybe some fruit, just different things. But like I said, he's a really picky eater. Next, I will get the face masks washed for the next day and then also do whatever laundry needs to be done. And now it's time to feed our dog. He's just having, like, he's on a wet food diet, so I just add a little bit of water with it. And then I light candles. I don't do this every night, but it's nice to do it once in a while. I will typically sit down to either relax at night. Most of the time it's working, there's not a lot of relaxing, but it's either tidying up the house or editing or something like that. And then I'll go ahead and get the coffee ready for the morning, and I usually set it for 6:20 because we get up at 6:30, so it's nice to wake up to that smell. After that, I will go ahead and let Paris out for the last time, and then in the next clip, since Nick comes home, sometimes when it's dark out, I just turn the front porch light on for him so he's not coming home into like a dark house. And then I will wash my face and brush my teeth and stuff, and I have been loving the Tula products for acne.
Alarm set for 6:30 a.m. tomorrow.
And of course I have to tell Paris goodnight. And if you guys don't have this dog bed, you have to check it out. I'll try to remember to link it down below. I got it off Amazon. We have went through so many beds and he never really used any, but this one he just wants all the time. So then I take off the decorative pillows and get in bed, and I swear by putting on chapstick every night, especially in the wintertime. And then I go ahead and use this lotion, and I also like it because it has melatonin in it. So I feel like when I use it, I sleep a little better. The last thing I do is like meditate for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it is bedtime. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.